वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन लिंक्डइन। लिंक्डइन प्लेटफॉर्म से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ये हम आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दें। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। Learn how to make money on LinkedIn by selling your own product or service or someone else through affiliate marketing. Sell your service or digital products. To make money on LinkedIn, you need to sell something. Your product, service, someone else's product or service. People on LinkedIn will be eager to buy from you when they trust you and see you as an expert in your industry. Knowing how to set up your profile, engage with your audience, and post the right content will help you win the trust of your audience and sell to them. Making money on LinkedIn is made easy. Try our AI tools, content inspiration, scheduling, and our powerful LinkedIn lead generation tool. Sell your service or digital product. First, identify what people need as a product or service and optimize your LinkedIn profile around it. Create regular content that speaks to your audience pain points. These tips will help you drive desire for your products. If your product is software or SaaS, showcase your clients' result with the case studies and testimonials. If your product is an ebook, share snippets of the most exciting parts and discuss how the reader can benefit from it. Search for posts that show users complaining about a problem your product or service solves. Reply with a helpful comment that shows how your offer solves their problem. Sell affiliate products. Once you partner with a brand that offers a great product or service, you can promote their offers on LinkedIn and earn commission on every sale. For example, you can join the Taplio affiliate program and earn 30% of all customer payment for 12 months. Since Taplio is a powerful tool for LinkedIn growth, your LinkedIn audience will benefit from it, especially those who want to grow their personal brand but have little time to spend on the platform. Ensure to abide by your partner terms and conditions while promoting their products on LinkedIn. For example, Tableau does not allow you to sell their products with paid promotion. Before you choose an affiliate products to sell on LinkedIn, ensure you have an audience that needs such a product. For example, if your audience is mostly chiropractors looking for bookings, it won't make sense to promote a UI UX course to them. One way to build trust when selling affiliate product is through product reviews. It's best to test the product yourself to get first-hand experience. Create a video where you review the product, highlighting its best features and the benefits you got from using it. If you can't test the product yourself, get reviews from at least 3 users to share with your audience. When reviewing your affiliate product, include links to buy the products in your caption or comments. Join any of the affiliate program to find irresistible offers for your audience. The secret sauce to make money on LinkedIn. तो लिंक्डइन से जो है वो आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ये हमने देखा आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। आप लोगों से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय।